Joining us now is financial expert Terry Savage. Terry, it's been a wild ride the past few days. Where do we stand?
Well, this morning we have, instead of red ink, we have green ink on the boards. That's giving everybody a big sigh of relief. So just ask yourself this question. Think it's all over? The shock is over. The immediate shock about the breadth and depth of these tariffs is over. But do you really think, number one, that a bunch of deals are in the offing? That's part of what's sending the market higher. Do you really think that China, our biggest trade relationship, is going to acquiesce? Looks like Japan is negotiating, other countries, Korea perhaps. But do you really think China is going to be playing let's make a deal? The latest word is the president thinks so, and the latest word out of China from Eunice Yoon on CNBC is that China is not ready to make a deal. So basically, we're having a relief rally. Now, if you're trading the market, you're watching the wrong station. You got to be on CNBC. But if you are just someone who says, oh my goodness, what does this mean for me? You're basically at up 1,500 Dow points, getting back the losses, most of the losses of yesterday and the losses of Friday. So what would you have done if you knew? Would you have said, this is too much for me? This is something I want to adjust my portfolio. I'm retired. You're getting a chance to do that. If you said, yeah, I believe in America. I'm 20, I'm 30, I'm 40. I'm glad my 401k contribution went in when the market was down. That's another story. What I will say is that even if all these trade deals came through in the next 2 or 3 weeks, and even including China, some severe damage has been done. Now, we know that Apple was flying iPhones in on 747s. So it may take a while for the price of your Lululemons or your Nikes or your iPhone to go up. But it looks like it will go up. And it looks like we've damaged some relationships that could impact business, the stock market, and your wallet down the road. So my bottom line is, Savage truth is, it's not over yet.
Have tariffs ever worked in the 20th century, Terry? And does that question, apply to whatever is going on in the world today?
So what's so interesting is the threat of tariffs have worked, and certain strategic tariffs work to bring countries in line in certain areas. But this idea of a mass breakdown in world trade has led countries around the world to readjust their thinking about the reliability of not only of Americans as consumers, but as suppliers of their own supply chains. So this kind of tariff has never worked. I sent you a link to the Wall Street Journal this morning.
Yeah.
Art Laffer said, great economist, the only easy way out for the president is if he stood up and said, okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm not making deal by deal. Here's the big deal. We'll take off all tariffs, and we will take away any protections we have for any nation that agrees to do the same, not just their tariffs, but their support, their exports by tax deals for their manufacturers and so forth. And we will get immediately to no tariffs. It would take a magic wand to do that. Otherwise, we've messed things up. And I think our stock market's going to pay the price for it down the road, and our economy.
All right.
Well, you're making us a little sad, Terry. So we
I want
everything.
you to enjoy the bounce. Wait.
Yeah, we're waiting to bounce.
Enjoy the bounce. This is real. But if you wanted to sell and you were upset that you didn't sell 1,500 points ago, look at your portfolio.
Gotcha.
Think about it yourself.
All right. Thanks, Terry. If you want to ask Terry a question, go to terrysavage.com. Thanks a bunch.
Thank you.
Let's take a look at some of the other stories making news this morning. The Supreme Court has